Dots Memories app. So this is a new trending social media app. You can find it like this: Dots Memories, photo and video. So pretty cool app. It's not that viral yet, but it's pretty cool. So save your story without story image. Create albums for your most special memories and events. And you will finally find your memories. Your photos and videos will automatically be organized by the date you took them. Easy to use experience your most special memories by swiping the calendar, unlimited storage, your events without losing any memory, you control your privacy, share with your most beloved ones, and that's the idea. So then you can just go in here and then that's what you have. So I just created my account. Here's how it looks like. You can always edit your profile. You can change the appearance. You can change history levels. So you're reaching these levels by uploading more photos. You can also delete your account in the bottom. And then let's just take a look at it. So for example, if I just have some photo and I just wanna, or video and I just wanna upload it. So whatever, for example, I just wanna add this weird photo. Then I just select album. And then I can just dismiss memory, or I can just, oops, something is weird is happening actually, I don't know. So basically, again, just let's try it out. So here's my album. I'm tapping plus. I create some. So here's my album where I just can upload some different photos and things here. And then yeah, that's just what it is. That's how I can upload it to here. I can see all memories. And then I can just tap plus and take a photo and upload a photo. Edit album, and then here you just have it here. And then also I can delete memory. I can do like high quality download. I can create a new album. So it can be memories album, it can be event album. So like, for example, you have a birthday, wedding, or travel, or I can join an album. And so yeah, that's what it is basically. So here I have a photo. I can just then delete it or react to it or like it. So yep, that's the idea. Basically, play out with this app. Pretty nice design, easy to use. So try it out.